Hi, welcome to the new video. Today I'm doing another skeleton. This time it's like a skeleton that lives in the dungeon. As always, black and white is opaque colors, the rest of the colors are candy transparent colors. I'm starting with the first gray. As you can see, it's a cool skeleton with like a spear in the hip and a sword through the chest, and he has a battle axe in his hands. So this was the first gray. I have done a little bit of light brown over it, and this now is some magenta. So now step 2, it's the full white. So I get nice highlights on each bone. And now I'm spraying a little bit of the light brown over it to give these highlights a little bit of color, so that in the end, when I'm doing the final highlights, it looks nicer. Now I'm doing some pattern on the axe in black, and now it goes for the background. Put a cover stencil over the old skeleton, and just like a piece of torn paper for the horizon. I'm doing some light effects. There's some light shining through the dungeon. And I'm using some opaque black for the shadow underneath the skeleton feet. And I'm using now light and dark blue for the background. I'm doing some highlights and some stars. I can see it's nice and highly detailed. So I'm doing the final highlights. So just picking out some points. And there you have it. So I'm doing some stars, and then this picture is finished. If you like this stencil style, you can subscribe to my channel to see over 800 videos like this. And see you soon. Bye.